Hey guys, this is Recon Maverick 99 and I'm gonna do a review about the Maverick and the Recon. And before we start, just please don't leave bad comments on this video. Okay, let's get started. The Maverick. It has one tactical rail as you can see here, and trigger kinda need to pull back. And if you want to change its bullets, reload, of course, you just need to press then push, and it goes in. Pretty cool. As you can see, it will look like this, and I know it has one missing dart. Just don't ask what's on the other dart. After you reload, you will reload like this. Example, this is your last shot. Reload it like this, then lock. Then pull back. If you want to spin it to change bullets, you just pull it halfway, like that. As you can see, you can put other upgrades in this gun, and it's not too hard to reload. And it's like this. That's the one with no bullet. Like that. No more. Good thing about this gun, it doesn't really jam. And if you want to reload, just do it right. Because if you reload it too high, it will jam, it will lock, and your dart will be broken. Just wait, I'm just gonna pick up the dart for example. Like this. Don't put it like this. See? It can't. You have to put it like this, low. Then reload, then fire. It's simple. It's a pretty basic gun. In our country, it's 650 pesos. You can buy this on Toy Kingdom and Toy R Us. And here comes the Recon CS6. As you can see, I'm just gonna disassemble its part. The Recon CS6. It's a clip gun. This one's already loaded, so you have to fire that. And this is how you reload it. Just pull back, press this, press, Press, then pull. See, there's the clip. There's a upgrade on this clip, the flip clip, but I don't have it. And it has one tactical rail, as you can see here. You can put this, the flip upside, like that. And this. It's like making it a sniper. It can be machine gun, pistol, or a sniper. This extra barrel has two tactical rails, as you can see, and one under. This is how you put it together. When you put the flip upside in the tactical rail, you just need to put this like this. You need to listen to the snap. If it doesn't snap, it's not locked yet. And it has a laser that has another tactical rail. This is cool because you can put many upgrades. Just gonna put the laser there. And this baby has this, an extra, a stock for steady aiming. And this stock holds a clip, not the magazine, just a clip. And it's a very cool gun because it's clip. As you can see, you can put Alpha Trooper clip, Raider CS35 clip, long strike clip, and long shot. It's a very handy gun. Trigger kinda just normal, not no need to pull back a little. Pull back hard. And if you see this orange, that means it's loaded. This. When I fire it, it's not orange. And when you reload it, and pull back, then shoot. It's like that. And I forgot to tell you that it has a jam door for if you can check for jams. And now I'm checking for jams. As you can see. Very handy on Nerf wars. And that's it. Okay, that's a jam. See? That's the use of the jam door. Recon Maverick 99 out. What?